think I'm gonna clean up my workbench again. Yesterday, I didn't do no video of it, but put a windshield in that truck almost one time, and then for real the second time. That's what happened to it. The old one wasn't too bad, except for that white all the way around the edges, about 6 inches, which made it hard to see out of. And I've always found that if you're driving an old truck, it's good to see out the windshield. Well, I got my workbench cleaned off pretty good, at least until I put some motors together. But this is my junkyard toolbox. It's time I did some organizing. What are you laughing at?
You.
Why?
You got sweet moves, babe. I wish y'all could see what I could see.
Saturday afternoon late. I haven't had time to do no videoing because I've been busy, but I got the little Crosley running. And the reason for that is that I found another one or two that kind of refurbished my interest. But I've also done a little adding on back here, and so I'm going to put the little Crosley in here for the moment. Somebody needs to go to the junkyard. I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing here, but inside this drive shaft is cardboard from 1966. I hear a little thunder out there, don't you? Well, we got the black Chevy truck back inside here. We got the back end jacked up. We're gonna put a drive shaft in it, but we ain't gonna do it tonight because we're tired. We didn't get much videoing done because I've been working outside mostly all weekend. But you know how it is. I gotta get my fix. I gotta come in and work on something. Well, it's just starting to rain. Well, it's been doing that since the beginning of time, right? Alright, it's Monday night. It's pouring down rain, which is okay. It's a country song, something about that. Rain and corn and something. Anyway, I put a new U-joint, which I had on the shelf up here. This one's so old it's made in the USA. That's a 369 up front, but we're going to need a combination U-joint in the back here. It's a 369 by a little bit wider and inside snap rings U-joint. I used to have a U-joint book around here somewhere, but I can't find it. Anyway, I'm going to go to Napa, cross my fingers, maybe both hands, and ask them if they got somebody who knows what I'm talking about, and hopefully I can get a combination U-joint. But that'll be another day. I gotta get up and go to work in the morning, and then I'll try to get the U-joint, and then maybe we can put that in, and maybe this thing will move around under its own power. It does run, although not too wonderfully. I got a bigger 750 Edelbrock carburetor. I think I'm gonna put that on it. This thing may have a big enough can that 600 or 650, whatever it is, won't do it. So anyway, we need to get into this, make this thing run. I got a man says he wants to buy it. I was gonna sell it to a young man at a good price, but he has spoken with his mother, and his mother has counseled against it. And I applaud the boy for listening to his mama. That's all I got to say about that. It's Tuesday night. I don't feel like getting dirty, but I did anyways. But I did get my U-joint. And here's a little math equation for you. 369 plus 534 G equals 372. is true. 372. Alright, now it's Thursday evening. I've obtained my U-joint. I might have already told you that. 369 plus 534G equals 372. And before we could come out here though and do anything, little miss cut her little fingernail. And so we give her a garage bandage. And I'm sure all the boys will like that. So we're going to put this U-joint together now. Right, girl?
Right, Dad.
Alright, we got the U-joint installed. Now we're going to go install it. Does that sound right? Yeah, the U-joint is installed. Now we're going to install the drive shaft.
Sit. Good boy. Shake. Shake.
I think he's ignoring you.
Shake. Lay down. Good boy. Up. Up. Down. Down. Sit. Shake. Shake. You skipped a step, Bubba.
Alright, the drive shaft's in it. You're just going to have to trust me. Here, my hands are dirty. I'm going to go in the house now and relax.